More birthday to come. Happy birthday, baby. God bless you always.
Happy 21st birthday! One times pala. Parang nababasa na to. Nababasa sa video. Lagay mo na dito. Happy birthday! Have a blast!
Three.
So, happy birthday to a wonderful person who brings so much joy and love into our lives, especially to our mom. On this special day, I wish you all the happiness and success you deserve. Thank you for being such an incredible part of my mom's life. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the wonderful partner of my mom. May your day be filled with love, happiness, and all the things that bring you joy. Thank you for loving my mom and for being a special part of our lives. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, handsome. Happy birthday, handsome. Happy birthday, dear JB. Happy birthday, handsome. Happy birthday to you, honey. Wish you all the best. Now our plans are going to getting well and well and well because of you. Enjoy your day. Love you so very much. You're the most handsome man I ever seen. Sana all. Sige, sige. Love you, honey. Honey, happy birthday. I love you.
No.